I have such fun when I make this dish. I can't help but laugh every time I make it because it makes me think of my friend Rachel that lives in Jacksonville. Well, one day Rachel had been up to see me and she said, "Oh my gosh, Paula," she said, "I have the best recipe for banana pudding. It's so different from what we usually do." She said, "I've got to send it to you." So she was true to her word. She sent it to me along with a note saying, "Paula, the original name of this recipe was called Mama's Banana Pudding." But Rachel said that when she finally got around to making it and she tasted it, she said, "Well, it damn sure ain't my mama's banana pudding." My mama's banana pudding is not that good. So she said, "I've renamed the recipe Not Your Mama's Banana Pudding." And I thought that was so funny. She went on to tell me that she had ended the day with a terrible bellyache because she had overserved herself. Now, one of the things that makes this banana pudding different from your regular Southern banana pudding is these wonderful buttery chessman cookies that we're putting in it. You know, normally you would use a vanilla wafer. Now, if you want to cut up your bananas earlier in the day, you can. All you have to do is just toss them in a little lemon juice. And that'll keep them from turning dark on you, because brown bananas really are not so appetizing looking. This is another real simple recipe, y'all. We're going to start with an instant vanilla pudding for our custard. We're going to add the milk. And you can see that that doesn't take long for it to start getting thick. So we're going to let that set for a minute and it'll thicken on up. And over here we're going to mix together a softened cream cheese and a sweetened condensed milk. This makes anything good. And we're going to take our very same beater. We don't even have to wash it because eventually it's all going to wind up together anyway. When you get the two ingredients blended, then you can move it up to high speed and really get it creamy. You can see how quickly now, just while we were blending this, that our pudding set up. So we're just going to fold these together. Great start. Oh, that's so good. I really love this recipe because no cook, no bake. Now this is the only thing that I do differently from Rachel. She uses a prepared whipped topping where I would be using a fresh whipped cream. So you can do either one there, whichever you like. And you don't have to be careful folding this together because it's not going to break on you. So we're ready. And you'll notice we're not even doing multiple layers on this. We just spread that out, and then we're going to finish this off by just topping it with another layer of cookies. Look at the cookies. They've got all kind of different symbols on them. You see the horses and the crowns. Look at that. It's got all the chess pieces. All we're going to do now is throw it in the refrigerator, chill it good, and it's ready to eat. Now I've got one here that's been in the fridge about 2 hours now. And I think that we're going to find he's nice and chilled. Yeah, see how he's set up? You can see. Banana pudding is a dessert that is so unpretentious. I'm not even going to bother garnishing this one. I'm just going to dig right in. I can see how Rachel overserved herself. It's a great new twist to an old-fashioned favorite.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.